Good morning, everyone. My name is Efrain Widjaya. I was born in Jakarta on 16th of June 2006. I'm currently working as finance manager at Pertamina. Today, I would like to share with you my career journey and how I got to this position. I believe that by sharing my story, you can get some inspiration about how to set and reach career goal. Stop dulu nggak? Next, where I work. I work at Pertamina, which is the largest state-owned oil and gas company in Indonesia. Udah tahu Pertamina is?
Yes.
Of course, you all already know about Pertamina. Pertamina plays a very important role in providing energy in the country. As a finance manager, my job is to manage the company's financial activities, plan for future investment, and ensure that we are making smart financial decisions that will help Pertamina grow and succeed. On this slide, I will explain my career journey from year to year. In 2024 until 2028, in the first part of my journey, I started my studies at Polytechnic Negeri Bandung. I chose business administration because I was always interested in how companies manage their money, and during this year, I focused on learning about finance, accounting, and business management. I also took part in internship and real-world project, which helped me gain experience in the field. In the next year, 2028 until 2029, after completing my studies, I was lucky to get a job at Pertamina as finance analyst. In this role, I learned how a big company like Pertamina manage their finance, and I help prepare financial report, analyze data, and support the team with financial planning. This experience was important because it taught me about the real challenges and responsibilities in the finance world. In the next year, 2030, alongside my work at Pertamina, I started my own food business called Fresh Bite Kitchen. It focused on providing healthy and affordable meal options for busy professionals. Running this business taught me how to manage operations, marketing, finance for a smaller enterprise. In the next year, 2030 until 2032, I became a finance manager. Now, I oversee a team of financial analysts and help make a major decision about the company's investments, budgeting, and financial planning. I also work closely with the leadership team to make sure we are meeting our financial targets and working toward long-term success. As a finance manager, I focus on leading a team, managing large projects, and ensuring Pertamina continues to grow. In 2032 until now, I became finance manager. Right.
Wow.
On this slide, I would like to share my profit and revenue from my business. In 2030, the revenue of my company is 30 million and the profit is 10 million rupiah. In the first year,
Wow.
I focus on marketing locally and selling directly to customer. I promote the product and community events through social media to build customer trust. In 2031, the revenue of my company is 60 million. Grow, still grow, and the profit 25 million rupiah. By improving online promotion, I expand the service with pre-order system. This reduce production cost and increase profit margins. In the next year, 2032, the revenue increased 85 million rupiah and the profit increased to 40 million rupiah. In this third year, the business gained regular customer, mostly from word of mouth recommendation. I also start selling through local marketplace, which gradually increase revenue. In 2033, revenue is 95 million rupiah and the profit 50 million rupiah. I improve efficiency by sourcing ingredients directly from farmers, which lower operational costs. As a result, profit increase even with modest revenue growth. In the next year, 2034, the revenue my company is 100 million rupiah and the profit 60 million rupiah. By the fifth year, Fresh Bite Kitchen became more popular in the local community, launching a new menu with a daily healthy meals concept attract more local customers. On this slide, I will share my turning point. There are two turning points. The first is at Pertamina, I make company-wide budgeting project, and the second is starting my food business, Fresh Bite Kitchen. One key project at Pertamina was leading a new budgeting system to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Another turning point was starting my food business. This business not only gave me entrepreneurial skills but also made me confident in managing both corporate and personal ventures. There is also my advice. My journey has been full of learning and growth. Starting my food business in 2030 was a turning point. It taught me that managing a business, big or small, requires the same principle of discipline, creativity, and leadership. I'm proud of how far I've come, and I hope to keep improving. My advice is to stay open to opportunities, keep learning, and balance your work with your personal dreams.
Wow.
That's it, my presentation. Is there any question for my presentation? Kamu mana?
What were the key challenges you faced in your career journey?
My key challenges I face, they are balancing my studies and work during my early years and learning how to adapt quickly to market demands while building Fresh Bite Kitchen. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
The second question.
My name is Sandra. I want to ask you, how did Fresh Bite Kitchen achieve its growth?
Through local marketing, a pre-order system to reduce costs, selling on marketplace, and introducing new healthy meal concept that attract loyal customer. Okay, that's it. Thank you for the question. Next question. Who wanna ask me? Last question.
Last question.
Yeah, kamu.
Siapa?
Si That's a good question. The answer is start small, stay focused, and never stop learning. Challenges will come, but resilience and adaptability will help you overcome them. Thank you for the question. Is it for my presentation? Thank you.